Well, tonight we are back at Ajuri village where we are meeting Andrew Ojok Olanya, who is ready for the race to become the next Omoro County Member of Parliament.
I was born here, I was raised here. I studied, the first few steps of my education started from here. Even my firstborn was baptized from here. So Omoro is home. The family fronted me to stand for MP. So even that is another way of coping, because you know that there's work to be done. You don't worry about the how for now, but you know it has to be done. So this MP race has also repositioned my mind to a different way of mourning. That that I don't have to mourn by crying. I can mourn and remember him by carrying forward what he has left. God has his own plan. So he took him, and in it we believe that the message should be of unity, of love, that we should come together in this time of demise, of bereavement. It was really a shock for me. Because we were so hopeful that it's not to come back, and from it we were tasked God to make it a testimony for the country. I learned a servant mentality, that your work is to serve, that the tree that grows provides shade to itself. That tree is not giving itself shade, but it's giving you the shade. The different sub-counties also need hospitals and schools, so all these things around the parish, we need to see how we can develop more together. We know there's need for education. There's need for us to continue with what has already been set as a foundation. We need to build schools, but also make sure that the students or pupils who are not able to finish education can carry on. We can sponsor them through different projects. We're able to make sure they finish education. From 2006 up to 2021, when we were campaigning, I was a backbencher. I would do his analytics, a bit of his strategy, but I was always in the background, trying to support him. So Moro is very close to our hearts, and we look forward to developing it together.
Since 2015, Andrew Ojok Olanya has been handling international relations between the government of Uganda and international corporations such as Microsoft and Oracle.
Mzee left a team of political experts, and those are the people who are helping me in this journey. So it will be a team effort. So I'm confident of victory, and I would like to reiterate my point that the people should decide, not the contestants saying someone should step down because maybe it's from family. Being born in a family should not be a curse, it should be a blessing. That I'm from a family of a great man who has mentored his children to step in his shoes. I was always a class prefect for some reason, so throughout I was always elected to represent the students in whichever category they were in. On a personal level, nothing changes, because the mission is still the same. That even when you're done, you'll not be left alone. We still have a plan for tomorrow. We wanted to reach somewhere. Mzee had worked so hard to make sure that the northern region is united. We want to maintain that. So if there are any issues that any toes have been stepped on, we want to be able to bring people together, and let's focus on development. There will be time for politics, but let's focus on development. Let's unite, let's work together, let's reconcile and develop the place. He was able to educate so many people. He was able to mentor leaders. So those are some of the legacies that we seem to ignore. But the legacy that he left is also in people, not just in the projects and the like. So those are the values that I believe will also come and help us to push forward. It's a heavy load, it's a big task ahead, but I don't think I'll work on time. It will be a team effort.
There are winners and losers in an election, and according to Andrew Ojok Olanya, he is mentally prepared for the race. Joseph Omagor, the news in Omoro district.
I'm very ready.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you.